Welcome to Darling and Twins Club.
Hi guys, welcome to Darling and the Twins Club. Today I'll be making pineapple juice. This is my boiled pineapple peels. I just added 3 cups of water to boil it. This is my peeled pineapples. This is the juice extractor. To remove the germs and insects that might have gone in there, though you have washed it, but you want to still clean it before you juice. This is the boiled pineapple peel. Stay tuned to know the health benefits of this. I know most of you throw away your pineapple peel, but you will know how to use it now. This peel has been washed, boiled with nothing added, and I left it here to cool down, so I'm going to use my hands to mash the juice out. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also comment. If you subscribe, like this video and comment, it helps me in my YouTube ranking. Now let's go make our pineapple juice. I won't be talking for the rest of the video because I have a lot of things to do. This is my pineapple shaft. Because I want to get the extra juice from the pineapple shaft, I'll add the cut pineapple juice. If you are not interested in the boiled pineapple recipe, you can just pour it into the strainer to get the juice out. But if you are interested in the boiled pineapple recipe, this is the point for you to add it. Remember, I said you should let it settle, so when it's getting to the down, you stop. Remember, I said I was going to tell you the health benefit of the boiled pineapple recipe. Now I'm mixing it so I can strain it. pour it into your strainer. It might be very thick. Now you can see you used your pineapple well. It will be enough for everyone in the house. Just one pineapple. Imagine the juice from a whole pineapple and the quantity of juice from the boiled peeled pineapple. Now we're going to mix the two together. We'll use the spoon to stir everything together. This is my wash strainer and this is my washed bowl. So we're going to filter it one more time. You have to be careful. But for some people, this is no problem. They might want it thickened like this. You can see the glasses are ready for the organic pineapple juice. I'm going to put this in the fridge because it's best served chilled. This can be prepared overnight for your children to take to school the next day. That way your child can stay healthy and avoid taking chemical processed juice. These are the health benefits of the boiled pineapple peel.